Okay, we've got this problem from our homework that some people have had some trouble with. So let's go through it. It's pretty interesting. We've got this hotel, we've got a patio, it's got a swimming pool and a hot tub, and our job is to write a polynomial in standard form that represents the area of the patio. So let's remember that area is length times width. That's key here. And the big idea is that we want to take the area of the entire patio rectangle and we want to subtract off the bits for the pool and the hot tub. So we're going to write an expression for the whole patio minus the area of the pool minus the area of the hot tub. So let's write that expression for the whole patio. Now the whole patio has a width of, I can see half of it here is 2x, and then the other half I can get right from here, that's 2x. Now 2x plus 2x is 4x, so the width is 4x, and then the length is right here, 8x minus 10. So 4x times 8x minus 10. That's our whole patio. Now we're going to subtract off the pool. And so I can see the pool is 2x times 6x minus 14. Some double brackets there. And then we're going to subtract off the hot tub. The hot tub is x times x, so we're going to subtract off x squared. All right, now we have this massive expression, and we can start to simplify it by distributing. So let's start multiplying. So we're going to multiply the 4x by both of the terms 8x and minus 10. So we've got 4x times 8x is 32x squared. Just because remember, that's the same as 4 times x times 8 times x. We've got 4 factors in there. And then 4x times negative 10 is negative 40x. Okay, and now over here, so we've got that term. Now we're going to subtract off, distributing here, 2x times 6x is 12x squared. And 2x times negative 14 will be negative 28x. Okay, and then we're also subtracting off the hot tub, which is just x squared. Okay, now at this point, we can go ahead and distribute our negative signs, because we still have those, and we have to acknowledge that when we're subtracting off an entire expression, we have to subtract off every term inside there. So now we're going to write this as 32x squared minus 40x minus 12x squared plus, because we've got a minus a negative, so plus 28x minus x squared. Woo! Okay. So now we can start combining like terms, and I'm going to do that. I really feel like I need a new pen color here. Okay. So combining like terms, I've got my 32x squared and my negative 12x squared and my negative x squared. So I've got 3 like terms. I've got positive 32, negative 12, and negative 1. So that's going to leave me with 19x squared. And then, need another pen here. I've got my negative 40x, and my like terms here are negative 40x and positive 28x. So when I combine those, I get negative 12x. And that's what's going to go into your answer. This is in standard form because I have decreasing exponents. Remember, we have that implied 1 right there. So it's really negative 12x to the first power. So it's already in standard form. And so in this little answer box, you're going to write 19x squared minus 12x. Now, part B. Part B here says the patio will cost $10 per square foot. Determine the cost of the patio when x equals 9. So right now we know that the patio area, the area is 19x squared minus 12x, but we want to evaluate that when x equals 9. So let's go ahead and substitute, always using parentheses. And then simplify. Using order of operations, we have to do that 9 squared first. So we have 19 times 81 minus 12 times 9. And simplifying our multiplication next, we have 1,539 minus 108. And subtracting, now we have 1,431 square feet. That's the area of our patio when x is 9. And so now we can use that to determine the cost, because if it's $10 per square foot, then this is just multiplication. 1,431 square feet times $10 per square foot equals $14,310. And that's our answer. That's what's going to go in here. And that's a lot of money. So it's always worth it to do the math when we have a problem like that.